Today, Tommy and Mia are learning something super fun: digraphs and trigraphs. But wait, what are those? Let's find out. A digraph is when two letters come together to make one sound. For example, this is CH. Can you say it with me? CH sounds ch, ch, like in the word chair, ch. Can you think of more word with ch? Chocolate, chicken, excellent. These are all words with the CH sound. This is SH, like in shoe, fish, and shell. Can you say it with me? Sh, sh. Can you try using these words in a sentence? I saw a shark near the ship.
I need a brush for my hair.
Perfect sentences, you two. Here's another digraph. TH. It makes two sounds. The soft sound in thing, th, th, and the hard sound is in this, the. Let's think of more words: thumb, tree, and thunder. Great job! You are digraph detectives now. Now a trigraph is when three letters come together to make one sound. For example, TCH, like in the word catch, catch.
Oh, I know. Match has TCH too.
Exactly, Mia. Here are some more words with TCH. Ch, ch. Hatch, pitch, watch, scratch, and snatch. I have heard all of those. Scratch is what my cat does to the sofa. And other trigraph is DGE, like in bridge. J, j. Can you think of more words?
My favorite candy is fudge.
My brother just got a new scout badge. Great examples. Trigraphs are tricky but so much fun. Here's another digraph. WH. It makes the W sounds in the words. W sound is w, w, like where, when, and which. Let's try them out.
Where is the where?
And here is PH, which makes the F sound. F, f. Can you think of words with PH? Phone, photo, and dolphin. One last digraph is CK. It sounds like K, K, K. Let's try it with words like duck, rock, and log. Miss Lily gave cards. You have to find words with trigraph and digraphs.
Look, I found sh in ship.
And I found j in badge. Okay kids, here's the word chair. Is it a digraph or trigraph? Digraph. Great. How about which?
Trigraph.
Excellent. And how about phone? It's a digraph.
Perfect. You have all become digraph and trigraph experts.
Tommy and Mia had so much fun learning digraphs and trigraphs. Now they can spot these special sounds in words everywhere they go. Can you find digraphs and trigraphs in the words around you. Happy learning!